Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the design for today, and it's The Lord Provides, and it's from where the sheep appeared at Mount Moriah. And this is how we make it. So this is the one that I've coloured in and cut out. Now what have I got here? Oh yeah, I've got a speech bubble is this one. It's not a speech bubble, it's the ram. So this one, that's that one. I've cut out, I'll show you how I've cut this one out. It's the circle because he's got his horn caught in the thicket. So I've cut out a hole in here so that it ties in with the thicket in his horn. Then I've stabbed down here first of all, and then come up from the base so that I can cut this out very, very tidily from underneath. Like that, and my little scissors are ideal for that. And then I'll fold this one over and this one on the dotted lines. Oops. Look at my little ram, and I'll put just a bit of double-sided sticky tape. Oops. Just on the triangle. If I put it on my original, it's on this side, just a bit in the middle. I'll just check that that's okay. Fold it over nicely. So, take that off. Stick that one on there. That's it. And then fold this over so that you can see that it sits nice and comfortable and pops up. Yeah. Now I've got to put these ones on. So I'll get some more double-sided. Go down there. And a little bit on this end. Now, got to line this up with the thicket that's there. It's about right, I think. Line it up along here. Push that one down. And then get the natural fold, folding it over. Like that. And then, ta-da! Hope you enjoyed the challenge of that one, especially cutting out this little circle, but that must have been fun. Anyway, God bless, see you next time.